Harrisburg, Oregon story time. I am going to do a science experiment today for Science Month. So the first thing you want to do in any science experiment is be safe. And so today I'm going to protect my eyes by wearing safety glasses. If you have glasses on, you still need to wear safety glasses because they have these shields that go around. So instead of having 4 eyes, I have 6. Okay, my safety glasses are on. I put on long sleeves because I'm going to be working with a chemical today that I don't want to get on my skin. And so I will also put on gloves. These are like gardening gloves that my neighbor Benson gave me. Thanks, Benson. And I also have pants on and shoes that are covering my toes. So if you ever take chemistry, this is what, well, you probably, anyways, you'll wear cooler looking science. Quiet, truck. You'll wear cool science looking clothes, but protect yourself. I put my hair up so I don't catch my hair on fire. And I also, since I am working with fire, have a fire extinguisher. So if you do not have all of these things, don't do this experiment. And if you do have all these things, have your parents do it with you. Okay, so let's go measure our ingredients. So right here I have just a normal kitchen scale that I'm going to turn on. There's a G up in the corner, that means grams, and I need 40 grams of sugar. But oh look, there's 67 grams of that cup. So I just pressed this zero out button so that it doesn't get the weight of the cup. And here's my sugar. You need to use granulated sugar and not powdered sugar. And we need to get 40 grams. So you just pour a little bit at a time. 38. Oh, we need 2 more grams. Slow, slow, slow. 39. Oh my gosh, this is stressful. 40. Wow. And if it's plus or minus a couple, that's fine. So I am going to take this 40 grams and I'm going to pour it. And I would use glass beakers for this. My beaker is a mini mason jar. I used a plastic one last week when I was testing this experiment. And yeah, it like melted my plastic, which is pretty cool, but now I don't have my plastic beaker. Okay, and I need 10 grams of baking soda. So not as much, oops. Get that off. So that's only 3. Sorry, this is not coming out as I planned. Okay, so that's 11, but that's close enough. Okay, so I'm gonna pour the baking soda in with the sugar. I'm gonna stir that. Okay, clean my scale off. All right, so I'm going to zero it out again. And I need 25 milliliters, so I need to change the unit to milliliters, ml. And I'm gonna use this to weigh out to 0. And I'm gonna pour in 25 milliliters of, it's supposed to be 99.5% alcohol. I'm just going to pour 25. That's 5. Well, that's 29. Okay. So get as close to 25 as you can. You can pour a little bit back if you want to be exact. So since I'm not mixing anything in this, I can just take this with me. So let's go back, and I'm going to take my ingredients over to the table. Okay, so I have my ingredients. First, I'm going to mix the sugar and sodium bicarbonate together. What do you think is going to happen? So first, I am going to pour the alcohol into my little sand volcano right here. And it's nice that it's raining in case this whole box starts on fire, right? Okay, so I need to make sure this is all sifted together. And I'm doing it outside because you don't want to be smelling the smoke from this burning alcohol, or even just the alcohol itself. It's really strong smelling. So that's, and this sand is also a safety precaution from the fire, but it also will help disperse this alcohol. So let's pour this. Okay, I'm going to set that away. And then I'm going to pour this sugar and sodium bicarbonate mixture on it. And then I have a long lighter that I'm going to use to light the alcohol, okay? Okay, so it's lit. And let's see what happens. I also have a fan going, so it's kind of blowing the smoke away. So, and I have tongs. And I'm going to stand a little ways back to be safe. And let's just look and see what's happening. Okay, look, our little snakes are growing. And you can kind of move it around. And this could take up to about 20 minutes to happen, but you can see it's already climbing out. And yeah, it's so cool. Our snake's coming out of the volcano! And it's climbing! It's working! It's working! Ha ha ha! It's sneaky! Oh, there it goes again. And this could react for up to like 20 minutes. So it just keeps going. I'm sure if you and your dad did this for Father's Day, it would be awesome. So this month is Science Month and Father's Day month. So if you throw sand on it, it'll put out the reaction. It'll still be very hot, but now you have this snake, and it's really soft. It's like a foam, hiya, snake. This is so cool. If you need sand for your experiment, my neighbor can put some buckets of sand on her porch for you to come pick up. Just message me in our Harrisburg, Oregon group if you want some sand. Okay. Bye.